Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove object from a video using a Videoleap application. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open up my Videoleap application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So we can click on this plus icon and then select new project. And you can choose a video you want to remove an object from. For example, guys, I'm going to remove an object from this video. I'm going to click on Add to Project. Okay, for example, I'm going to remove this text from my video. If you want to do that, we can duplicate this video first. You can tap on the video, scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option here. Select duplicate, and we're going to make it as an overlay. You can click on the second video and then select mixer. Okay, and we're going to make it align with our first video. Okay, now it's time to apply mouse to the second video. We're going to use mouse to remove unwanted object. You can go to the mask option and you can choose the shape of the mask. Here I'm just going to choose the rectangle. Okay, and then we can adjust the size of the mask like this. And take another part of our video which is suitable to cover the unwanted object. I'm just going to take this part, for example, like this. Okay, and then I'm going to drag the mask to cover the unwanted object like this. And to make it more natural, I recommend you to adjust the lightness or the brightness. Go to the adjust menu, and then I'm going to adjust the brightness just a little bit, increase it a little bit. Okay, now it's done, guys, and as you can see that the unwanted object has been removed from my video using a Videoleap application. Okay, and then if you're still not satisfied, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied. And I know, guys, that the streak maybe can't work on all types of video because it's something tricky, so it depends on the video you have, but at least here I have shown you how we can remove unwanted object. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.